Here are some techniques for selecting and preparing wood for your art collection. 1. Choosing the right type of wood. Softwoods versus hardwoods. Softwoods, like pine and cedar, are easier to carve and shape, while hardwoods, like oak and walnut, offer durability and a beautiful grain. Local versus exotic. Consider using local woods to reduce environmental impact. Exotic woods can provide unique colors and patterns but may be more costly. 2. Sourcing reclaimed wood. Look for old furniture, pallets, or barn wood. Reclaimed wood adds character and history to your pieces. Check local salvage yards, flea markets, or online marketplaces for unique finds. 3. Inspecting the wood. Check for defects, look for cracks, knots, and warping. Choose pieces that have interesting imperfections for added character. Moisture content. Use a moisture meter to ensure the wood is dry, which helps prevent warping and cracking during the drying process. 4. Preparing the wood. Cleaning. Remove any dirt, paint, or old finishes using sandpaper or a chemical stripper. Cutting. Use a saw to cut the wood to your desired size and shape. Consider using a jigsaw for intricate designs. Sanding. Sand the surface to smooth out rough edges and prepare it for finishing. Start with coarse grit and progress to finer grits for a polished look. 5. Finishing techniques. Staining. Enhance the wood's natural beauty with stains that add color while allowing the grain to show through. Sealing. Use clear sealants or oils to protect the wood and bring out its luster. Consider food-safe finishes if your art will be used in kitchens or dining areas. Texturing. Experiment with techniques like burning, carving, or painting to create unique surface textures and designs. 6. Incorporating natural elements. Combine wood with stones, shells, or dried plants to add depth and interest to your sculptures. Use organic shapes and forms inspired by nature to guide your design process. By thoughtfully selecting and preparing your wood. Here are additional techniques and ideas for selecting and preparing wood for your art collection. 7. Understanding wood grain and patterns. Grain patterns. Different species of wood have distinct grain patterns. Study the wood grain to find pieces that inspire your artistic vision. Color variations. Look for pieces with interesting color variations that can add depth and intrigue to your sculptures. 8. Incorporating mixed media. Combine wood with other materials such as metal, glass, or fabric for a mixed media approach. This can create contrast and enhance the overall aesthetic of your art. Use wire or twine to attach elements or create structure, adding a dynamic element to your pieces. 9. Utilizing tools and techniques. Carving tools. Invest in quality carving tools for detailed work. Consider using chisels, gouges, and knives for different effects. Power tools. Use saws, routers, and sanders for larger projects. Ensure you follow safety protocols when using power tools. 10. Creating a sketch or plan before starting. Sketch your ideas to visualize the final piece. This helps in determining the dimensions and shapes you want to achieve. Plan the assembly of your sculpture, especially if it involves multiple pieces or elements. 11. Experimenting with form. Explore abstract shapes or representational forms inspired by nature, such as trees, animals, or landscapes. Consider using natural curves and lines in the wood to guide your design. Creating fluid and organic forms. 12. Texturing and finishing techniques. Burning. pyrography use a wood-burning tool to create designs or textures on the surface. This adds a unique touch and highlights the wood grain. Natural finishes, experiment with natural oils, like linseed or tung oil, for a non-toxic finish that enhances the wood's natural beauty. Point 13. Displaying your art, think about how you want to display your sculptures. Consider bases, stands, or wall mounts that complement the artwork. Create outdoor pieces that can withstand the elements, using weather-resistant finishes and sturdy designs. 14. Sustainability and ethics, choose sustainably sourced wood to reduce your environmental footprint. Look for certifications like FSC, Forest Stewardship Council. Be transparent about your sourcing practices if you plan to sell or showcase your work. 15. Inspiration from nature, spend time outdoors to gather inspiration from your surroundings. Take photos, sketch, or collect natural materials that can inform your designs. Incorporate elements like bark, leaves, or stones into your sculptures to create a direct connection to nature. By utilizing these techniques, you can elevate your wooden art collection. Creating pieces that are not only visually stunning but also deeply connected to the beauty and complexity of nature. Here are even more techniques and ideas to enhance your selection and preparation of wood for your art collection. 16. Layering techniques, laminate wood, consider layering thinner pieces of wood to create depth and dimension in your sculptures. This can also allow for intricate designs that might be difficult with solid pieces. Create depth, use a combination of flat and 3D elements to add layers to your artwork, creating a dynamic visual effect. 17. Natural dyes and stains, experiment with natural dyes made from plants, fruits, or vegetables to color your wood. This approach can yield unique hues while being environmentally friendly. Use tea or coffee to stain wood, which can create a warm, rich tone. 18. Incorporating found objects, gather found objects, such as driftwood, stones, or metal scraps, to incorporate into your sculptures. This adds a narrative element and enhances the uniqueness of each piece. Create a mixed media approach that tells a story, encouraging viewers to engage with the artwork on multiple levels. 19. Utilizing negative space, design your sculptures with negative space in mind. This can create balance and intrigue. Allowing the viewer's eye to move around the piece, consider how the absence of material can be as impactful as the material itself. 20. Creating functional art, blend art with functionality by creating pieces that serve a purpose, such as benches, shelving, or decorative boxes. This can broaden the appeal of your work. Explore designs that incorporate both aesthetic and practical elements, encouraging interaction with the piece. 21. Using natural adhesives, when assembling your sculptures, consider using natural adhesives like hide glue or PVA, polyvinyl acetate, for a more environmentally friendly option. Explore traditional joinery techniques, such as dovetail or mortise and tenon joints, to enhance the craftsmanship of your pieces. 22. Experimenting with scale, play with scale by creating oversized or miniature versions of your sculptures. This can create a striking visual impact and challenge perceptions of size. Consider how scale affects the viewer's experience and interaction with the artwork. 23. Here are some inspiring ideas documenting your creative wooden art collection. Or take photos of your creative process. create sculptures that
Documenting your
mimic
journey
natural
can
forms
provide
like
insight
trees,
into your
leaves,
artistic
and
evolution and
animals.
serve as inspiration
Use
for
different
future
types
projects.
of wood to
Show
showcase
your
textures
process
on
on
social
colors.
media
2.
or in
Functional
exhibitions,
art, allowing
allowing
others
pieces
to
that
connect with
serve
your
a
work
dual
on a deeper
purpose,
level,
such as
wooden wall
24.
art that also functions as
Participating in
shelves or
workshops
coat
or
racks.
classes,
3.
attend
Geometric
workshops
designs,
or classes to
explore
learn new
abstract
techniques and
geometric
gain
shapes
insights
and
from
patterns.
experienced woodworkers or
Use
artists.
a mix of wood types to create a
This can
striking
broaden
visual
your skill set
contrast
and
and
inspire
inspire
new
storytelling
ideas.
panels.
Collaborate with
Craft
other
panels
artists that
to
tell a
explore
story
different
or depict a
perspectives
scene.
and techniques, enriching your
Incorporate
practice.
carvings and
20
inlays
to add depth and detail.
Creating a
5.
thematic
Wooden
collection.
masks.
Consider
Create a
developing
series
a
of
collection
masks
centered around a
inspired by
specific
different
theme,
cultures or
such as
emotions.
seasons of nature or textures
Experiment
of the
with
forest.
various finishes and
This can create
embellishments.
coherence in
6.
your work and engage viewers on a
Design
thematic
pieces
level.
that viewers
Use your
can
theme
interact
to
with,
guide your
such as
selection of
puzzle-like
materials,
sculptures
colors,
or movable
and
parts.
forms.
7.
Enhancing
Nature's
the overall
elements.
narrative of your
Incorporate
code.
elements like stones, resin, or metal with wood to create mixed media art pieces that reflect the natural world. 8. Kinetic sculptures. Explore movement in your designs. Create pieces that have moving parts or use balance to create dynamic shapes. 9. Personalized pieces. Offer custom pieces that reflect the personal stories or memories of individuals, incorporating significant symbols or motifs. 10. Seasonal themes. Create a collection that reflects the changing seasons, with pieces representing spring
Wood
blooms.
art collections can serve various
Summer
purposes
landscapes
and have multiple
autumn
uses,
leaves,
and
both
winter
functional
scenes.
and aesthetic.
These ideas can serve as
Here
a
are some
starting
key
point for your
uses for
wooden
wood
art
art
collections,
allowing
1.
for creativity
Decorative
and
elements,
personal expression
home
in your
decor,
work.
wooden
Creating
sculptures,
nature-inspired
wall
sculptures
art, and
involves
decorative
several
pieces
steps,
can enhance
from
the aesthetic appeal of
conceptualization
your
to
living
execution,
space.
adding warmth and
Here's a
texture.
guide to help you
Outdoor
get started.
decoration.
Materials
Sculptures
needed,
and planters can
choose
beautify
different types of
outdoor
wood,
areas,
e.g.,
creating a
pine,
serene and
oak,
inviting
cedar.
atmosphere.
For
texture and
functional
color,
art,
tools,
furniture,
saw, custom
band
wood
saw
art
or
can be
scroll saw,
transformed into
chisels,
functional
carving
furniture
tools,
pieces, such as
sandpaper,
tables,
wood glue,
chairs,
finishing
or
products,
benches,
stain,
blending artistry,
paint,
varnish. With utility,
optional,
storage
other
solutions,
materials like
artistic
resin,
wooden
metal,
boxes
or stones
shelves,
for mixed
or
media
cabinets
effects,
can organize
steps to
space
create
while serving as
nature-inspired
decorative
sculptures.
items. Conceptualize your
3.
design. Draw sketches of your
Cultural and
ideas,
symbolic
focusing on
significance,
natural
cultural
forms like
heritage,
trees,
many
flowers,
cultures
or
use
animals.
wood art to express
Consider
their
the size
traditions,
and scale of your
beliefs,
sculpture
and stories.
Select your
Making
wood.
these pieces
Choose with
valuable
types that will
cultural
enhance your
artifacts.
design. Symbolism.
Hardwoods
Certain wood
offer
carvings
durability,
may symbolize
while
specific
softer
themes,
woods are easier
such as
to
nature,
carve,
spirituality,
wood,
or
cut your
community,
wood into manageable
enriching
pieces,
their meaning, ensuring they fit your
personal
design.
expression.
Use
Artistic
sandpaper to smooth
exploration.
rough edges.
Creating a wood
Carved
art
collection
sculpture
allows
begin
artists
shaping
to
your wood
explore
using
their
chisels and
creativity
carving
and express
tools.
personal styles.
Start with
themes,
larger
and
cut
messages.
and
Gradually refine details.
Storytelling.
Take your time
Each
to
piece
achieve
can
the
tell a
desired
story
texture
or
and
convey
form,
emotions,
making it a
add
powerful
details,
form of personal
incorporate
expression.
finer details
5.
such as
Bark
bark
texture,
purposes,
leaf veins,
workshops,
or animal
and classes.
features. Art
You can also
collections
use
wood
serve
burning
as
tools
inspiration
to add
for
intricate
educational
designs.
programs.
Assemble the pieces.
Teaching
If your
others
sculpture
about
consists of
woodworking
multiple
techniques
parts,
and artistry,
use wood glue or screws
exhibitions,
to assemble them
displaying
securely.
wood art in
Finish the
galleries or
sculpture.
public spaces
Sand the
can
entire
educate
piece
audiences
to ensure
about
a
the
smooth
craft
surface
and its significance.
Apply stains,
6.
paints,
Community
or
engagement.
varnishes to enhance the
Collaborative
natural
projects.
beauty of the wood.
Engaging
and
the
protect it.
community in
Displaying
creating
your
wood
artwork
artwork.
can foster
Find a suitable
collaboration and
location
strengthen
for
community bonds through
your
shared
sculpture,
artistic
whether
experiences.
indoors or outdoors.
Public art installations.
Consider how lighting and
wood
surroundings
sculptures
will
can be
affect
part of
its
public
appearance.
art projects
Tips
that enhance
experiment
community
with
spaces
different wood
and
finishes
encourage
to
achieve
public
unique effects.
interaction.
Take inspiration from
7.
real-life nature.
Sustainable
Visit
practices.
parks or gardens for ideas. Don't rush the process. Allow time for creativity and adjustments. By following these steps, you can create stunning nature-inspired sculptures that reflect the beauty of the natural world. Enjoy your artistic journey. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of wooden art. We hope these inspiring ideas spark your imagination and encourage you to explore your own artistic expression. Wood art collections can serve various purposes and have multiple uses, both functional and aesthetic. Here are some key uses for wood art collections. 1. Decorative elements, home decor, wooden sculptures, wall art, and decorative pieces can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living space, adding warmth and texture. Outdoor decoration, garden sculptures and planters can beautify outdoor areas, creating a serene and
whether you
inviting
choose to
atmosphere.
create nature-inspired
2. Functional
sculptures,
art, geometric
furniture,
mosaics,
custom
or
wood art
whimsical
can be
creatures.
transformed
The
into
possibilities
functional
are
furniture
endless,
pieces,
such as tables,
let your creativity
chairs,
flow,
or benches,
and don't be
blending
afraid to
artistry.
experiment
with different
with
techniques
utility,
and materials.
storage
If you
solutions,
enjoyed this video,
artistic
please
wooden
give it a
boxes,
thumbs up,
shelves,
subscribe for
or
more
cabinets
artistic
can organize
inspiration,
space
and
while
share
serving
your
as
own
decorative
decorative art
items.
creations in the comments below.
3. We'd love
Cultural
to
and
see what you come
symbolic
up with.
significance,
Stay creative,
cultural heritage.
and until next time,
Many cultures
happy
use wood
crafting.
art to express their traditions, beliefs, and stories, making these pieces valuable cultural artifacts. Symbolism. Certain wood carvings may symbolize specific themes, such as nature, spirituality, or community, enriching their meaning. For personal expression, artistic exploration. Creating a wood art collection allows artists to explore their creativity and express personal styles, themes, and messages. Storytelling. Each piece can tell a story or convey emotions, making it a powerful form of personal expression. 5. Educational purposes. Workshops and classes. Art collections can serve as inspiration for educational programs. Teaching others about woodworking techniques and artistry. Exhibitions. Displaying wood art in galleries or public spaces can educate audiences about the craft and its significance. 6. Community engagement. Collaborative projects. Engaging the community in creating wood art can foster collaboration and strengthen community bonds through shared artistic experiences. Public art installations. Wood sculptures can be part of public art projects that enhance community spaces and encourage public interaction. Seven. Sustainable practices. Eco-friendly art. Using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood emphasizes environmental consciousness, making your collection a statement on sustainability. Awareness campaigns. Art collections can raise awareness about environmental issues and the importance of preserving natural resources. 8. Gifts and commemorations. Personalized gifts. Wooden art pieces can be crafted as unique gifts for special occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, or birthdays. Memorials. Sculptures or carvings can serve as memorials, honoring loved ones or significant events. 9. Investment and collectability. Art investment. High-quality wood art pieces can appreciate in value over time, making them desirable investments for collectors. Curation. Building a diverse wood art collection can be a fulfilling hobby, allowing collectors to curate pieces that resonate with them. 10. Therapeutic benefits. Art therapy. Creating wood art can be a therapeutic process, offering a way to relieve stress and foster mindfulness. Connection to nature. Working with natural materials like wood can enhance well-being and encourage a deeper connection to the environment. By understanding the various uses of wood art collections, you can appreciate their multifaceted nature and the impact they can have on individuals and communities. Whether for decoration, functionality, or personal expression, wood art plays a significant role in enriching our lives. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of wooden art. We hope you found inspiration in the techniques, ideas, and stories we shared today. Remember, each piece of wood has its own unique character, waiting for you to bring it to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more artistic content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below sharing your favorite techniques or any projects you plan to try.